what's up? Want crispy fries but don't have the time? Here's the recipe. Scrub and clean the potatoes. Cut the potatoes in half lengthwise. Sprinkle the potatoes with salt and pepper. Place the potatoes in a microwave-safe dish. Microwave the potatoes on high for 10 minutes. Remove the potatoes from the microwave and let them cool slightly. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the potatoes to the skillet and cook for 1-2 minutes per side, or until golden brown and crispy. Serve immediately and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think of this recipe. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Share this video with your friends